Ang cheapest gaming-centric phone with all the communication basic needs covered on a very low price. Lanicom po of Lanicom Views. Today we will feature a phone ang next generation ng Infinix Hot Play, usually power-packed with a big battery and a very low price. Ngayon, for the question of the day, hanggang ilang oras ang maximum gaming time ninyo in a day? Comment ninyo! Go! Hintayin ko kayo! And habang nagko-comment kayo, let me also say that this video is not sponsored. Thank you sa mga shared views ninyo. Now, sama-sama natin i-experience ang Infinix Hot 10 Play. To start, here are some notable specs ng Infinix Hot 10 Play. Ang MediaTek G25 octa-core processor, 2GB of RAM, 32GB of storage, 13MP camera na may AI lens, 8MP lens with front flash, 6.82 inches 720p display, 6,000mAh battery, at ang low price na 4,250 pesos. This is the green and black box ng Infinix Hot 10 Play with orange accent sa baba. Upon opening, the first layer, we have the phone. Covered ito ng plastic film on front and the back. Next is a cardboard compartment containing the SIM ejector tool, hard clear case, X-Club card na mukhang dollar, warranty document, and a screen protector film. Next is the compartment for the charging brick, USB-A to micro USB cable, and earphones. The case protects the phone as camera bump and screen corners are not protruding. This is a hard case, hindi yung jelly type. Sa corners ang covered niya, kaya ingatan ang mga sides ng phone. This is very slim hawakan using the case. And that is it. The color of the phone we have is called Morandi Green. The back is glossy but not too reflective. Dahil din ito sa design niya na may fine lines with cornered pattern. This is a unique looking one. I can say this is a great looking phone for this price. This is also available in blue color dito sa Philippines. The back is made of plastic with glossy texture. Sides are also made of plastic. A curved shape on the edges giving it a thinner profile that are good on the hands. Sa size naman, this is 6.77 inches tall and 3 inches wide na may nipis na 0.35 inches. Ito naman ay may bigat na 213 grams. Tignan naman natin ang sides ng phone. Sa bottom part, a microphone, micro USB port for charging and data transfer and is also OTG capable, and the headphone port. We do not have anything on the top of the phone. Sa left side ng phone, we have the SIM tray and the keyhole. It has a dual SIM tray and another slot for micro SD. On the right side, the power button and the volume keys. Sa likod naman, we have two cameras, LED flash, some text about the camera, fingerprint scanner in the middle, and the Infinix logo on the lower left. In front, a glass screen, no branding specified by Infinix. Front-facing camera at the top, we have an ambient light and proximity sensors around here. And at the topmost, the ear speaker that serves as loudspeaker. We also have a LED flash for the camera that serve as charging indicator too. Infinix Hot 10 Play has 6.82 inches IPS display measured diagonally at 720p resolution na mayroong 20.5:9 ratio. This screen ratio gives a tall form sa ating phone. With this, you can watch media content limited up to 720p. We have a hole on the upper center on the display for the camera. Para sa phone na ganito kamura, ang ganda ng display nito. It is vivid and balanced in color. Same display na maaaring na-experience din natin sa Infinix Note 8 and Note 7. Sa sounds naman, ang ear speaker also functions as loudspeaker. Good thing sa setup na ito, hindi natatakpan ng speaker when gaming. Sa output quality, it is not that really loud, just enough for notifications and multimedia. Nothing extra special here. Din sa FB, Twitter, and Instagram ang Lanicom Views. Comment kayo at pag-usapan natin ang mga views ninyo and learn from each other. This is Lanicom of Lanicom Views. Ito rin ay may DTS sound enhancement, best experience kapag gumamit ng earphones. As a communication device, it can connect up to 2G, 3G, and 4G cellular networks. For Wi-Fi, it is dual band capable of 2.4 and 5 GHz. Ito ay mayroong basics tulad ng Bluetooth, Wi-Fi hotspot, and a GPS for location. Equipped din ng Infinix Hot 10 Play ng mga sensors tulad ng ambient light sensor and proximity sensor, accelerometer, gyroscope, electronic compass, and ang fingerprint sensor for security. Fingerprint detection is fairly fast, Face unlock also is available if you find it useful. This is surprising for a very cheap phone. For battery and charging, ito ay may 6,000 mAh battery. On this segment, Hot 10 Play stands out. Hindi madaling itumba ito. On casual use, kaya nitong magbigay ng 2 full days. If you use it for continuous gaming, aabot pa rin ito hanggang buong araw. If you just use it as a standby communication device, it can last for 55 days, Infinix claims. In 1 hour and 30 minutes of continuous video streaming on high brightness and sound, 10% battery lang ang nabawas from 100% to 90%. It has a 10-watt charger that can charge the phone approximately around 3 hours and 15 minutes. Infinix Hot 10 Play is running Android 10 Go with XOS as customization. Android Go is a lighter version of Android best for phones na may low RAM and processor. Google apps installed are also in Go versions. Even on Android Go, it has full XOS skin giving it extra features. XOS ay mayroong additional tools like Power Marathon, Game Mode, Theme Store, and Phone Organization tool. XOS ay may side panel tool dependent sa different scenarios. Ang main side panel giving app shortcuts by swiping from the edges. If you are playing games, with the game mode enabled, it will show the game mode panel. And if you are watching videos, it will display the video tools panel. Notable din ang bike mode to block calls and messages and can send auto-reply while you are driving. Screen recording is also native to XOS. If you notice sa mga gumagamit ng XOS phones, ngayon walang instant apps dito sa ating menu. This phone is using MediaTek Helio G25 octa-core processor at 2 GHz. It has an entry-level processor for gaming, photography, and 4G connectivity. Ang variant na ito ay may 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. Overall performance is just enough for basic tasks and apps. Good thing sa Android Go operating system, fluid and responsive pa din naman siyang gamitin even in low-spec devices. Helio G25 is claimed as a gaming-centric processor. When it comes to gaming, it can do games mostly on low settings para sa mga graphically intensive games. Para din ito sa mga casual and light games. May ilang graphically intensive games tulad ng Asphalt 9 and Genshin Impact na hindi downloadable sa Play Store. Possible na it does not meet the minimum requirements kaya wala ito. Ito ay may game mode for optimization ng phone while gaming, including tools like browser and WhatsApp shortcut, take screenshot for recording, clear all background apps, i-off ang screen para sa mga idle or autoplay games, magic button to set the volume keys mapped on a screen tap, and manage notifications. Maaring mahaba ang battery ng Hot 10 Play kaya i-manage natin ang ating game time using the game tool. On Call of Duty Mobile, low settings. Surprisingly, it was able to play well. I did not encounter major lags or stutters. On Mobile Legends naman, it can do high settings with high frame rate. Surprisingly, merong high frame rate dito. Stable naman ang network while playing. We had a decent gameplay. No major stutters or lags tayo na experience dito. Punta naman tayo sa photography. This phone has total of 3 cameras. Sa likod may dalawa, a 13-megapixel camera and AI lens, aided with LED flash. Sa front naman, isang 8-megapixel camera and also with LED light flash. Ang camera software ay may several camera tools. Sa topmost, nandito ang settings menu, adjust picture size and some tools. On top, you can toggle the flash, HDR, aspect ratio, and filters. You can swipe from left to right to change the camera modes, or simply swipe up for the menu. Mayroon tayong slow motion, video mode, AI cam, beauty, bokeh, and AR shot, panorama, and document scanner. Ang modes naman sa front, video, AI cam, beauty, portrait, AR shot, and wide selfie. Sa main mode or AI camera, very nice for a below 4,000 pesos phone. This produced good photos, balanced and natural colors, enough for your daily social media needs. Slow motion and AR shot ay good addition din. Utilize panorama for wide shots. Document scanner din is useful for digitizing paper documents. Sa front naman, it gives natural colors and detailed looking selfies. Sa video, may pinakamataas na 1080p resolution, wala tayong image stabilization dito, pero very natural and okay naman ang colors na napoproduce sa ating video sample. This is Infinix Hot 10 Play 1080p video for the selfie camera. Now to wrap up this overview, ano ang main advantages ng Hot 10 Play? First, the price. For 4,290 pesos or sometimes with discount, murang option ito to get connected to the mobile world. Second is the battery. It takes 2 days or more for casual use, kahit ginagamit sa panonood or sa gaming. Third is the display. This is a great display for the price, 20.5:9 ratio giving it a cinematic view. As of now, this is the cheapest offering of Infinix. Ito ay may good processor and display for its price. You might not be able to play all the games, but it performs well sa mga available for download. If you just need to get connected online, like on social media, e-learning and meetings, mobile binge watching, casual gaming, this is for you. Let me say also that this is a beautiful looking phone too. A phone that gets you connected, beautiful display, beautiful looking for a very low price. The Infinix Hot 10 Play. I hope nakatulong ang video na ito para ma-experience ang phone sa panonood lamang. Subscribe to Lanicom Views, follow nyo din sa FB, Twitter, and Instagram ang Lanicom Views. Comment kayo at pag-usapan natin ang mga views ninyo and learn from each other. This is Lanicom of Lanicom Views. Hanggang sa muli!